What if, like an elite athlete, you had an elite team supporting you, capable of elevating you to peak performance by ensuring your optimal well-being? What could you become? ReGen Scientific is your elite team, and the science of you is our blueprint. 4 innovative medical practices integrating the latest in science-based well-being designed to power your unique health journey by promoting optimal health, preventing disease, restoring your body's ability to heal itself, and giving you control over your health and well-being. We are ReGen Scientific, and we are your team on the journey to you. Better. Longer.